In 1901, off the coast of a small Greek island, a group of sponge divers stumbled upon a shipwreck. Among the treasures buried beneath centuries of coral and salt, they found something no one expected: a rusted lump of bronze that would rewrite human history. When archaeologists began cleaning the artifact, gears, intricate bronze gears, emerged from within the corroded metal. It was unlike anything ever found from the ancient world. Scientists soon realized they were looking at a device that should not exist, at least not in 100 BC. Decades of research and modern X-ray scans revealed a breathtaking truth. The Antikythera Mechanism could predict solar and lunar eclipses, chart the motion of the planets, and track the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. It was a mechanical cosmos, a miniature model of the universe, crafted by hands over 2 millennia ago. To put it simply, this device performed calculations that even Renaissance scientists struggled to match. Yet it existed more than 1,000 years earlier. No name was inscribed on the gears, no manual was found, but historians speculate that it may have been designed by a follower of Archimedes, the legendary Greek mathematician. Others believe it was the lost work of an entire school of ancient engineers, a lineage of genius wiped away by time.
What's even stranger is that no other mechanism like it has ever been discovered. It appeared in history once and then vanished completely.
After the fall of the Greek and Roman empires, humanity's technological understanding regressed for nearly 1,000 years. Complex gearing, precision engineering, gone. When similar technology re-emerged in medieval Europe, it was considered revolutionary. But in truth, it was a rediscovery of something the ancients had already mastered. Some researchers suggest the Antikythera mechanism was not unique, that many others once existed and were lost to wars, fires, and time. Others ask a darker question: what if ancient civilizations had knowledge that modern science has only just begun to rediscover? The Antikythera mechanism remains a silent witness, a whisper from a forgotten age of brilliance. It challenges our assumptions, and it reminds us that history still keeps its secrets deep beneath the waves. If you believe some mysteries are meant to be unlocked, subscribe to TimeVault.